Hello! In this video I want to show you how to use Generative Fill to make everything in photography faster and easier for you. Like this now. Photoshop, please expand this screen. Yes. That's great. Expanding screen. One of the best and easiest feature of Generative Fill is to expand your photos. For example, you need a photo for different platforms and you need to expand them. In this case, Generative Fill can help you a lot. Let's see how it works.
For example, you open your photo, then you go to crop, then you just expand your crop. I expand it a lot because I want to show you how it works. Then you can just press generate and then wait. Yes, I'm impressed with the result. Look at this. You also have some other options. If the first one doesn't work, you can choose the second one or third one. I think this one is the best and it works so nice. Let's go for the second photo. So here we have this photo and again I'm going to crop. You can just press shortcut, which is C, and then expand your screen how big you want and just press generate. And yes, look at the results. You can see here how the colors match and how the lighting match with our photo. Let's see other results. Yeah, no, it's so big. The first one is the best. It is amazing.
Wow, you're done. Adding some objects. With the new Generative Fill, you can add anything to your scene, to your photos. And it also does the lighting so great. It can analyze your photo and it will do the lighting in accord to your photo and it is amazing. Let's try it.
For example, I want to add an airplane to this photo. You need to choose lasso tool and for example, you choose this area here and you press the Generative Fill, then you just write airplane and enter. And you need to wait. So as you see, I don't know what this is, but the second variation is an airplane and the color is amazing and it's matched to our photo. Third one, it's also good, but I like the second one. It is amazing. Let's go to the second photo. For example, here I have the Santa Claus photo and I want to add a bird here on his shoulder. Again, you need to choose lasso and choose the area. Then Generative Fill, then you just need to write the bird word and generate. Look how amazing it is. This is the first variation. Look at the second one. It is amazing. You can see how the angle of the bird is also matched with the Santa and the color and the light is exactly the same as the photo and it is amazing. You can see here it has the light from up and the Santa is also had the highlights from above.
This feature is the most useful one because there are always something unwanted in the photos and you need to remove it. Where I am. Photoshop, please Ctrl Z. Okay, Photoshop, remove me by mistake. Let's see how it works.
Here's a photo of me and I want to remove this person here. So again, I go to lasso and I choose whatever I don't want in my picture and I press Generative Fill and just generate. That's it. Look how clean and perfect it cleaned and removed the two person in the photo. And let's see the other variations. Yeah, all are perfect and you can use whichever you want. For example, I can also remove myself from the photo like this and press Generative Fill and just generate. As you see, it's also removed me. Great. And yeah, it is amazing. Let's go to the next photo. For example, here I have this graffiti which I don't like and I want to remove it. So again, with lasso I choose this area, and yeah, and again you can just go to Generative Fill and click the generate and wait. Yes, you can see how amazing Photoshop did this job. It removed it and it got some sample from here, and yeah, you can see the result. Yeah, all is amazing.
Another nice feature in Generative Fill is to change objects in your photos. For example, you have an object in your photo and you don't want it and you want to change it with something else. You can just change it with Generative Fill, so easy. Let's see how it works.
For example, here I want to change my brother to a lion. I choose my brother with lasso and just write lion and press the generate. Yes, now we can see how it worked. You have another variations. I think this one is the best one. Yeah, it is great. Let's go to second photo. Here I have my photo and we wanted to change it to, for example, a duck or swan. Let's do it with swan. Okay. Again, I choose it with lasso, Generative Fill, then I just write swan and press generate. Okay, now let's see the variations. This one is nice, and no, and I think this one works. This one is good. Now let's use all the things that we learned today on this photo. So first I want to expand, and I choose the crop, then I expand this photo and generate it. As you see, it did amazing. And then I want to, for example, add a ship here like this, and I go to Generative Fill and say ship. Amazing, isn't it? See the other variations. Look at this. Wow, it's so good. It's so good. You can do whatever you want very easier than before and faster. It helps the designer and photographer a lot.
Okay, I hope it was useful for you. I use these 4 features a lot in my works because they're easy, fast, and high quality. And I also wanted to show you how they work. If you like this video, please like the video, share it to your friends, comment in comment section below, and to support me to grow this channel, please subscribe to the channel, and in the end, don't forget to shoot, edit, and see you in next.